is the fish sauce, the garlic, onions, the chicken, pork, mushrooms, clear noodles, egg noodles.
And the green onions.
Oh yeah, green onions you don't have. Soy sauce and chicken stock. And that'll be good on your chicken. And we have onions, right? And then brown it, right? Or so it's shiny, yeah. Okay, chicken. Oh. Yeah. Then we have the fish sauce. And then we added some pork that was already cooked. And then we add mushrooms. And we add chicken stock. Ooh, turn off this one. Okay. Just no. Soy sauce. So yeah. These noodles stick with me than the other. There's some other pasta variation.
Some they have the mango.
Adding the egg noodle that okay. It's good. 'Cause I'm sure not everyone's gonna eat it, but yeah, it's good.